Hey everybody, this is the KastKing fillet knife in use right out of the box. This one is the 9-inch blade, stainless steel with super polymer grip on the handle. I like the handle a lot. I immediately, when I grabbed it, I was like, oh yeah, this handle feels really good. It's not cork, but it has that cork kind of feeling to it a little bit. Those grooves in it, they feel good when your hands are wet. Has a nice sheath that you easily release with your thumb. I like it, it feels good. Has a nice bright look to it so you can see it. It comes pretty sharp. I did not sharpen it. And the first thing I cut is what you see right here in this video. Those are salmon fillets that were previously frozen. I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care.